Qaisar Roonjha is living in 2 time zones these days, completing graduate studies in Winnipeg while organizing relief for hard-hit communities in Balochistan's Lasbelafloods district in Pakistan, where he grew up. He works around the clock on little sleep ever since flooding and rainfall first devastated the region in late July.
It hurts me because I could see, but to me it's like a generation goes back, because the people who were getting empowered by the agriculture will now have to wait for a generation, or at least for 20 years more, to come to that level where they were.
Roonjha couldn't reach his own family for days until connection was restored.
I was talking to my volunteers, my team members, who were then updating me, "Oh, your family is safe."
Roonjha normally runs a non-profit that supports youth, but shifted its gears as the situation worsened back home.
I felt discomfort because I couldn't do anything. I couldn't sleep for a few days.
The organization is helping connect people with food, medical supplies, and shelter. They are among the millions without homes due to flooding caused by unusually heavy monsoon rains that many experts are blaming on climate change. As meteorologists forecast even more rain in the region, Roonjha feels compelled to labor away from around the world.
I had an emotional side of this, but then also my professional side of being a development practitioner, of a humanitarian. That's where I thought this is the time where I can contribute back for my community.
Roonjha fears the devastation could repeat itself with climate change, but holds on to the positive stories being relayed back to him by staff and volunteers on the ground. Rosanna Hempel, Global News.